You will add customers in QuickBooks Online to track sales and other information for their account. To get started, go to Invoicing or Sales on the navigation bar, and then click Customers. Then click New Customer. Enter the customer's name to get started. If there is a company name, enter it here. Next, choose the display name as. Clicking the drop-down menu will let you choose a naming convention, and this will display on the customer list. Next, enter their billing address. Then enter other information including email, phone, mobile, and other contact information important to you. You can review other tabs down here at the bottom of the window, including Notes, where you can keep notes about the customer, Payment and Billing, where you can set up their preferred payment method, terms, and other items such as language, attachments, and additional info that you might like to keep on this customer. After entering all of the necessary information for the customer, click Save, and they're added to your customer list.